What's up, people? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I have a good news. I have to declare this news right now to you guys. Well, what happened today is that last night I applied for the monetization, because you guys know that 30 days back I was demonetized for the reused content, and last night I reapply, and today morning, here is the good news, guys. Just let me show you the message what the YouTube team sent to me, guys. I'm so happy. Okay, after coming back from this coma, guys, this is a real coma, you know that, a really coma. So here's what we're gonna see. They say that congratulations, your YouTube channel, my channel, has been accepted into the YouTube partner program and is now able to monetize on YouTube, guys. I would like to shout out to YouTube team for the great job, guys. This is so amazing. You know, it's been so frustrating all this Saturday, man, trying to work out every day, trying to show YouTube that I'm the right person for the job. You guys can see the good news right now, and this is what I want to share with you guys. I'm so happy to be back again, for YouTube to accept me again on their partner program, guys. I'm so happy to declare the good news. So this is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna share with you, because I haven't yet seen the my YouTube. What I did was I just got it right now, and a couple of minutes ago I already uploaded the video when I was reapplying for the program. So here is what we're gonna be looking at this. So remember, it was Saturday, and the reason why my YouTube was demonetized was because of the reused content. And what I did, I removed all the content on my channel, and those channels that those videos that I deleted, they are the video which I upload from other YouTubers. So this is what we're gonna do right now. I'm gonna go direct into my channel right here, into my channel, and you know, guys, what I do all the time. Okay, I upload community video, my music, everything. Okay, education stuff, everything that I'm sure that they can help other people. So here's what we're gonna do right now. So I will go direct into my channel dashboard right here, and what you're gonna see, they say welcome to YouTube partner program. Congratulations, you have been accepted into the YouTube partner program. You can now monetize, and again, thank you. And they said that I should contact the YouTube support team. I really appreciate that. I'm going to send them a message after this. Okay, I will tell them that thank you for reviewing my channel. So this is what I'm going to do. I will talk to them right now. I'm going to send them a message right away before I put out on my channel. I have to tell them that I'm so happy. Okay, let me see this. I'm waiting for them before I go to monetization, or before I turn the ad on. I want to do something. I'm waiting. You are number one in line. Thank you for your patience. We'll be right with you. I have to tell them that, guys, I'm so happy for this great job that they've been doing. While I'm waiting, let me go direct into my monetization menu right here. Let me simply click this thing. You guys can see what this is all about. Okay, here we go. Are you guys seeing this, right? They say monetize your videos. Now I should turn ad on my channel. Anyway, let me I think they would send me a message later, or whenever they feel like. So guys, this is what we're gonna do right now. I will go direct into this monetization, monetize my YouTube videos. If you come down here, you can see there's no other message there, but we have turn on ads. So let me simply click this. This is the most important part. It means that now as long as I click turn on ad, it means that I'm gonna earn something, some coin. Okay, that I can help myself with. So what I'm gonna do, let me simply click turn on ads. You guys are seeing that, right? You are seeing that this one turn on. It means that when I turn it on, I'm getting money, right? So guys, thumb up, man. If you are new to my channel, please try to smash the subscribe button, man. Let's do this thing together. Support the boy, man. Okay, it's been a hard journey. All right. Okay, guys, let me simply turn the ads on. I click the ads, man. Let's see, man. What's up? I'm back again to the YouTube partner programs, guys. This is so amazing. I'm so happy, man. I'm so happy, man, for the YouTube team for finally giving me back what I wanted. So this is what happened today morning. So let me simply click next. They say that review your art default. This preference will also be applied to all future upload. You can change them at any time ad setting, upload, default monetization, and so on. So let me simply let me simply click next. You guys can see next right here. I'm not gonna change anything here because I agree with all the things that the YouTube been what they put there. So let me simply click next. So you guys are gonna see all of this guy. Oh my god, this is so amazing, man. This is so cool. This is so cool. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now, and you know today is October 27, right? October 27, 2022. We mean that on October 28, I will receive some coin. Okay, even if I'm getting 50 cent, guys, that is enough for me. Okay, because I know that they are going to accumulate themselves, and then finally it will be a big reward for me. Guys, this is so amazing news. It's a great news. So let me go to this. Let me simply agree to the terms. All my existing video, or I will choose. No, I don't want to choose, man. I have a bunch of video on my YouTube channel, more than 5,000 videos, and some of them, they are community videos, man. All right, let me simply monetize all of the video, man, at once, so that I can receive some coin. All right, so let's do this. Let me simply click monetize all. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. Are you sure? Yes, I'm sure. I will repeat the third time. Are you sure you want to turn all the monetization? Are you sure you want to turn all the ad on your videos? I'm sure. So this is what I'm gonna do. Monetize all. All right, so here we go. We are gonna wait. Let me go direct into content area right here, and we are gonna see what's up. Oh man, there they are, but still they are off. So let's wait a couple of seconds, okay, because there are too many, and YouTube is trying to go to all the videos and monetize them all at once. So let's just wait a couple of seconds, and we are gonna see, and the green will turn on. It means that when there's a green dollar sign on my on your monetization, it means that the money start coming in. So let's just wait a little bit. All right, so let's wait, guys. This is so great. I can't believe that I'm finally back into YouTube. Okay, I thought that I'm gonna talk another 30 days working. It means that I'm not gonna stop, guys, because I've seen the reality. I've seen the reality, and what I did was I took my time. I mean, I endure all the pain that I thought that I thought that I cannot get back on this. But right now, since I'm back, this is a good news for me. So let's simply wait, or we can refresh. It said, okay, 123 of 123 videos monetized, which means that the rest of the video are not yet monetized. And I click all of them. Let me simply refresh this, and we are gonna see. All right, let's wait. All right. Let's wait. Yep, sir, that is what we have right here. That is what we have. It's saying more than 23. I don't know whether there are more than 23, but I'm telling you, I have around 5,000 YouTube. So let me take a look at all of this. Let me simply go direct into monetization right here. I want to see the video which are not being monetized. So let me go direct to not monetize, okay? Because I can do them one by one, but it will be short. Oh my god, that is a great news, man. It means that all the 5,000 YouTube that are being monetized, so which is a great news. Let me go again and check something else. Let me go direct into copyright claim. Do I have? There's a one video, but this one right here is I can say the video can be monetized, but this is my video and this is my movie. But now okay, the day before yesterday, you know, one of my brother, one of the legend, who has a song which I put on this, on the video footage of my movie right here, I think might be the one giving me this warning. Let me go direct into copyright, and we are gonna see, because I cannot delete my video, man. That's my video. Okay, Nakaji Loves You by Kangeje. You guys can see that this is Kangeje song on my channel. I think recently Kangeje monetized, put a copyright on his music, which means that it will create a bigger impact in this society of us, because this song, each and every one of us love the song, and each of us been uploading this audio on our YouTube channel, which means that I want to send a message also to Kangeje. Please, my brother, if you can allow your society to use the video, it will be good, because you know it's been so many years since the people have been using your thing. But now what I would like to suggest is that all your new music, video, or whatever you're going to be recording start from now, it could be the one that you can put a copyright on, because you see that we have put them on our video. So I'm begging you do that. or if not, I'm gonna remove it. I do not have any problem about that. I can simply replace the song, but I'm talking on behalf of other people because they do not know this thing. And then when you see a strike on people video, it means that YouTube are going to remove their video. We mean that, please brother, you got to do something about this. I mean, your first album, just remember the album that you record back in the day 10 years ago, man. You have to let them go, man. You have to give your people a freedom here, so you can simply monetize the latest one. Unless if someone try to put a copyright on your music, man, that's when you can tell them no, back off. Because you own them, I know you own them, you have the right to do anything. But here, man, you gotta do something about that, man, because I really care about our people, and also I believe that you do. Like my music, I kind of put a copyright on them, the music video that I did a long time, because I know if anyone wants to use them, they can use them because it was a long time. But today, since we know that YouTube has given us the right to do anything here, we can give freedom to our people. So this is the one strike that I don't want everybody to go through, because it's a painful stuff. If JJ say that I'm gonna put a strike on all your video guys out there, those who upload JJ music video, I mean music audio, it will be a big problem. So we better talk to JJ and give us freedom. So this is what I want to say. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to simply remove this, okay? Because I know that JJ has decided already, unless he want to leave this copyright things. So anyway, I already did that, you can see, so I will simply save it. So I have to check what I have, because after, if I refuse, YouTube might give me a problem. So I have to know this thing. And it also goes out to all the music, I mean the artists who already have their song and people are using their song before they put a copyright on them. Just remember, if your time is not here, please try to make sure that you give freedom to people, because later on they're also going to help you out. So thank you guys for watching. I'm so happy that I finally got my YouTube back, and finally back to YouTube partner, and I'm now officially back as my official YouTube channel. So you can even see that even my topic is back. Because my channel is a music YouTube, okay, you know, this is artist channel, right? So if you click it and you go directly to my YouTube channel, you're gonna see a music icon on it. It means that my channel was monetized as a music channel, because most of the things that I put there, they are a music. So let me show you. Not everybody have this icon right here. You can see this icon. Not everybody, right? So you can see official artist channel. Not everybody have this icon, unless if you monetize your channel as a musician. If you are not a musician, I'm sorry for you, because you cannot get that. But if you try also to put your channel as a music YouTube channel, all you gotta do is that you need to have 3 or 4 or 5 music video, and then you put them on your channel, and then you request the YouTube to give you this freedom icon right here. So all the legends are having this small icon right there, like Kang JJ, they have this because they are musician, they are good musician. And also you can do the same thing also. What you gotta do right away, please make sure you go to what we call DistroKid, so that you can pay a little amount of money, so that you can put your music there, and the YouTube will give you something called topic. Like now you can check my topic, and mean that I'm being accepted to be part of the official artist YouTube partner. Anyway guys, thank you for watching. This is what I want to share with you, and it was a great news telling you all this stuff. So thank you guys. May God guide you on your YouTube journey, because you know YouTube is a big company that helps us to gain some little amount of coin. So thank you for watching guys. Bye bye.